And here's why. Mouse used to live here. If you don't pay attention to this stuff, you go and turn the mower on, it gets hot, and next thing you know, you catch on fire. So this is a 20 horsepower Kohler. Picked it up for $100. Cup Cadet LTX 1045, 46-inch, $100. The guy says it doesn't turn on, doesn't work. I know what's wrong with it because the starter is bad, because I need to clean it, rebuild the starter. I do have another one if that one doesn't work. Rebuild the carburetor. Next thing you know, we're selling it online for